A good learning on team effectiveness, especially when you have given that exercise, right? A lot of insights have been given to me on that communication thing. So when we communicate, first we need to define things, right? And then we need to communicate so that everybody will be on the same understanding. Otherwise, each and everybody is having some perceptions. Some people have skills, some people might not have that understanding skills. So those things have to be eliminated. Second, on the psychological fears, right? So you made aware of that. So now we will implement in our team, and we will have some kind of a open ground to participate for all the team members. So that is what we can do on this. And OKRs are very good, right? I think we will try to innovate on that further on. So how to implement all those things, right? We will see how.
That partnering approach, whether it is inside the company or outside the company, like we have our channel partners, we can further go down with our partners, and we can further, with this training program, we can further imbibe same indicators to grow our business with them. So it is quite helpful. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
High performance team will be a priority so that we make sure our team is able to perform at higher, much better levels.
Excellent.
And then ensure the goals are clearly given, empower the teams and implement that really.
Common goal implementation, like synergic goals or common goals that I think we can implement in this year itself.
Excellent.
So that we can have creating values between business partners, so that can make more value addition to this process. And to enhance psychological safety, again we can include more of empowering and people-focused activities we can implement as soon as possible.
Pillars for business growth, as well as the as a foundation for this a high performance culture and existing in the organization most important. How to build that step by step and enable with the team members and achieving the company's objectives. So these are the key takeaways of this session.
How to build a high performance team and how to inspire team members for work. These two sessions I would really like to apply myself in the work and grow into better.
Performance effectiveness and psychological safety aspects which I learned would help me, because I can apply the same on with my subordinates, and that will help us to align to the objectives of the organization. These two are the most important takeaways which I found that. And then the session was like the videos and the examples which you had shared with us were so simpler, which we know but we are not using in our day-to-day life. So that can add value to our performance review.
Awesome.
Few takeaways like I need to inspire my team with better productivity, so that it will be helpful for us to give the company goal as per the plan. And one more the thing is high performance team. Yes, of course, definitely we need to create the high performance team.